Bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And in this video, you're going to learn basic greetings in español. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, so the first thing you need to learn to say in español when you want to greet somebody is, of course, hello. And to do that, we say hola. Hola. Perfecto. Depending on the time of day, is it morning, afternoon, or evening? In the morning, we would say good morning. And in español, se dice buenos días. Buenos días. Perfecto. Afternoon, so any time after midday up until around kind of just after the siesta time, maybe about 4 o'clock, we would say good afternoon. And that's buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches is good night, yeah, good evening. Now, in some countries, they say buenas noches when you see somebody in the evening, but also buenas noches when you're going to bed at night. Okay, so you've said hola, buenos días. And if it's somebody that you are meeting for the first time or somebody that you need to address with respect and you want to ask them, how are you? You ask, ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Different to if it's somebody that you already know, or a child, or generally somebody younger than you, somebody that you're going to address informally. There are different ways to say it. The first one is the most common one, which you will probably have heard at some point, and that's ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Another one very popular is a little bit more informal still, and it's ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Yeah, how are you? How's it going? And along those lines as well, when you're informal with somebody, you can also ask ¿Cómo va? ¿Cómo va? And that means, how's it going? And there's a great song by Celia Cruz.
Oye, ¿cómo va? Mi ritmo bueno pa' gozar.
Perfecto. So there we go. Now you can say, hola, buenos días, ¿cómo está usted? Or, hola, buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? Perfecto. And what happens when you get the reply? They say, hola, bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Hi, yeah, great, thank you. I'm good, thank you. And you? Oh, right, what do you say then? You're either going to say, muy bien, gracias. Yeah, very well, thank you. Muy bien, gracias. Bien, gracias. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Bien. And hopefully, you know, you're not fatal or anything like that. Let's just keep it nice and positive, shall we? So when the person responds and they ask you how you are, you'll say, muy bien, gracias, or bien, gracias. Okay, perfecto. Well, that's all for today. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.